First thing first, chop off the potatoes and carrots into small pieces like so, and then a spring onion, chop off, and garlic and shallot. Olive oil on hot pan. Fry a shallot and onion until brown color. Add sugar and salt, followed by potatoes and carrots, mixing them well. And don't forget, add a white pepper powder, or you can use chili as well if you want. Stir them thoroughly. I add a little bit water and then stir them for a few minutes, and then spring onion in, mix them well again. Cook it for a few minutes, and then I add a corn flour mixed with water for thickness. Don't forget test it, and then once finished, let it cool, okay? And I wrap it with a pastry like so. Place it on the tray and then brush on the top with egg yolk. In oven 180 degrees for 50 minutes or so. And actually, it's bloody good.